Good morning to you folks. Today is Sunday, April the 24th. It's about 5:45 in the morning. And I'm up at this early morning to try to get you some of the best shots of the moon available on YouTube and the internet. And right there, looks like the moon has, well, I want to just point you out to the bottom of the moon, and maybe to the right side, where it looks like, if you see the little right there on the edge on the right hand side, it may be the 5 o'clock position. It looks like there's some sort of water or some sort of atmospheric optical signatures going on there. Just looks like there's some water right there on the side. From maybe the 2 to the 5 o'clock position. I'm standing right here in my driveway. There was cars driving past. Maybe people heading to church. Sorry about the camera shaking there. I had to go to pause for a second and reposition. The moon must be rotating around on a dome or something. But again, if you can look right there at the bottom right hand side of the moon, does it look like there's some sort of wavy conditions going on there? When I say wavy, maybe like when you see heat waves coming off the street in the distance, or what I want to say right now is some water right there between the 2 o'clock position on the moon to maybe the 5 o'clock position. And then around on the top of the moon there, maybe from the 9 o'clock to the 1 o'clock position, it looks like some sort of blue light coming off of the moon. And it looks like it's waving up there too, like there's a picture of the moon sitting in some sort of dish of water, or a dome of water. Excuse me. And that moon is not 298,000 miles away. It's right there in the sky, under a dome. And you can see that water right there on the right hand side of the moon there. It's no sort of refraction or illusion. I see water right there on the side of that moon. Then the moon looks like it expands out a little bit, and then it goes back to, I want to say, the normal size. But there looks like The moon looks like a hologram sitting in some sort of water. I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S4 cell phone. It's not the best equipment in the world, but it takes pretty good photos, and it's easy to upload these videos and photos to YouTube. And these are uncut, raw footage of the moon. And if you haven't seen my pictures of the sun, maybe you should take a look at my video called Flat Earth Sun Observation. Okay? Just want that moon to marinate with you. And keep looking at it until you realize that it's not 298,000 miles away. It's right there in the sky. It's right there in the same position that the sun takes. So I'm here to tell you that that moon right there that you're looking at, that disk of light with water around it, that moon is right there in the sky. It's not 298,000 miles away. You know, if you're just catching on to this, we've got the biggest deception in the world going on, that you've been hypnotized to think that that moon is 298,000 miles away. Along with the moon, they want you to think that the sun is 92 million miles away. That's because you've been hypnotized. And it's okay to admit that, because I was hypnotized for a little while. And it's okay for me to admit that. I, along with several million people, let's just say all the people in the world, were hypnotized to think that that moon right there, that disk of light that you think is a ball, is not. And the reason why I can say that is because it's sitting right there in the sky, you know. So, and if that thing is sitting in deep space, just exactly where along on the moon's edges does the space begin and ends? You know, how much of the sky is in deep outer space is a good question. Okay? Just ask yourself that question. Where's the deep space? Is it directly behind the moon? Is it to the left or to the right of the moon? Is it at the 6 o'clock position where you can't see the moon right now? Where is the deep space? You see the edges right there at looks like the 4 o'clock position now? I mean, it looks like there's water right there on the moon. Or that hologram of the moon is sitting in a big dish of water. And I know that's a big statement to make. But keep looking at that video and you'll see some sort of water flickering right there on the bottom right hand side of the screen. I got it repositioned. It's your man Sean trying to bring you some of the finest video footage available on YouTube and the internet of the moon, the stars, and the sun. And for this phase of my video recording, it's just going to be the moon. I'm going to go ahead and end tape now. I want to thank you folks for watching. Please share this video with your friends, family, supervisor on the job, bus driver, preacher, state senator, governor, trash men, crossing guards, and anyone you know at NASA. Until the next time, I'm going to try to get out here later on tonight. Hopefully we have a clearer night without any chemtrails. Surprised we don't see any chemtrails in the sky right now. Once again, I like to advise all humans with cell phones and camera capabilities to get out with your equipment. Videotape the moon, stars, and sun so people can see that this stuff is not in deep outer space. It's not. And for all you non-believers, do the same thing. Do your own observations and talk about what you see. And that's what I'm doing. Okay? Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. If you give me a thumbs down, just let me know how can I improve my video capabilities. Okay? It's been your man, Sean. I got to go in the house, get me something to eat. Maybe make me some fried potatoes with onions, scrambled eggs, and some bacon and fruit. Maybe I'll take the bacon out, you know. But then again, I love me some pork bacon. Okay? So let me get out of here. I'm out till the next time. Thanks for watching.